Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author. Welcome to my quilting room, and today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. Yay! It is also, I believe 3 days before Christmas. So, Merry Christmas! A few things that I want to cover today for Sewing Talk Tuesday. This one is going to be a little bit short and sweet, but I think you're really going to enjoy this. So I hit 20,000 subscribers a couple of weeks ago, and I did promise that I would be doing a giveaway as an appreciation, and so that's what I'm going to do. Now, I want to make this very clear that all of the items that you see here that I'm going to be giving away are items that I purchased with my own money, and I just want to do it as a thank you to all of you for your support. One lucky winner will win all of this. There will be a link down below in the description box to a raffle copter link, and you will want to click on that, and that is how you will be able to enter this giveaway. So without further ado, I am going to show you the items that I will be giving away. Okay, first things first. This is like a quilter's dream. I tried to put this giveaway together with a quilter in mind, and it doesn't matter if you are a beginner quilter or an advanced quilter, you can always use these items, trust me. The first thing that I will be giving away is this really cute AccuQuilt GO ME. Now, you might have seen me use this before in my videos. This is a smaller version of a bigger AccuQuilt, but this cuts just fine. If you buy a 6-inch die, you will be able to run it through here. This particular one came with 2 dies already. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So inside, you will see that you have your little machine there. And then you have your dies, and it comes with a mat. And this mat is a 6x6 cutting mat. Now, if you had a longer die, say a 6x12, you would need to purchase a 6x12 mat and also the 6x12 die. So this one comes with, as you can see, it's still wrapped up. I'm not going to open it. It's a half square with a 3-inch finished triangle. Okay, so there's that one. And then the next one that it comes with is a 1/4 square, which makes a 3-inch finished triangle. So these are the 2 dies that are free that come with this, and so it'll get you started with what you need. All right, so you'll be cutting stuff up on no time. You'll be having a good old time making quilts. So this is the first prize that I am giving. Is there something else in here? Oh, your book of goodies. All right. Let's close this up. So one lucky winner will get all of this. This is open to people in the US only, and it also excludes Alaska and Hawaii. I should have mentioned that before. I will have a gift card available for those of you who are in Alaska or Hawaii or internationally, okay? The next item is this amazingly awesome mini Oliso project iron. I have a pink one that I absolutely love. This is what the little pink one looks like that I have. And this is perfect, like if you're doing paper piecing, or if you're just sitting at your sewing machine and you're pressing seams and you don't want to keep getting up to go to your bigger iron, you can just do this. And it has steam in it. And you have this little shield for it. So when it's not hot, you can do the storage side that you put it on. Let's see if I can get it on. I'm not going to worry about it right now, but it does fit on it. And then when you're actually using it and you need to rest it, you can sit it down like that. Or you can do it like this, like normal. But you can see it has a nice long cord. All right. So the mini iron is awesome. I love it. I got mine for Christmas last year from my mom, and it has been a lifesaver. This one is yellow. And so it's the same, only in a different color. All right. So you can expect to receive a little mini iron that way. All right. The next item that we have is a seam ripper. A deluxe seam ripper. Every sewer quilter needs one of these. I have a pair of snips. These are what I use when I'm clipping threads and whatnot. When I'm sitting at the sewing machine, I have a pair of these little orange ones, and I also have a pair of pink ones. Okay. This is a tin can of quilt clips. You see me use these quilt clips a lot. This is what's inside of them. So you will now have your very own little tin of quilt clips. Okay. And last but not least, I am going to include a fat quarter bundle of these Riley Blake fabrics that I purchased from Cricut a while ago. And I also have these same fat quarters in here. I have another one, but I thought I would give this one away because this is such a beautiful fat quarter bundle. And it has, I don't even know how many fabrics are in here. It looks like there's 2 of each, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. Looks like there's 30 of them. I could be wrong, so don't hold me to it, but that's what I'm counting here. So this is also included. So that is the giveaway. The gift card that I will be giving away will be a $50 gift card to AccuQuilt.com. Again, purchased with my own money, but one lucky international winner will win that. Or if you live in Hawaii or in Alaska, please enter that giveaway. And that's what we're going to do. So I really hope that you enjoyed this giveaway. Like I said, we are very close to Christmas right now, which is very, very exciting. I'm almost ready. I'm still sewing up some last minute Christmas gifts and getting them packaged up. But today I think I will actually be able to mostly get most of the presents upstairs, because I don't know about you, but I have to hide my presents because I have little grandkids who come over. So I have them shoved in a corner down here in my basement, and this light is killing my eye. And so, yeah, so I've been hiding them all down here. Also, I have been working on, just so you know what I've been working on the last couple of days. Other than Christmas gifts down in the craft room, I have been building Lego Star Wars planes and the little cop cars out of Legos and things like that. So my grandson and I, we picked up some Legos at Costco. And so we've been putting those together, and it has been a lot of fun. So that's what I've been up to. Just hanging out, enjoying my family. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else we need to talk about. I don't really think there is. I hope that you all, no matter what you are doing, whether you're spending Christmas with loved ones or if you're spending it alone, I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And I hope that you take care of yourself, stay well, be happy. And if you start feeling lonely or whatnot, binge watch some videos. Make you feel better, promise. And really, that's it for me today. And I hope you have, like I said, a wonderful holiday season. If you want to enter into this awesome giveaway, the link is down below in the description box. I will put right there, giveaway. Click on that link that's below it and it will take you to another site and you will be able to enter that way. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And also click that notification bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And by being a subscriber, you can actually choose how often you want to be notified when I upload. You can choose all, or you can stagger it to where you can see, you know, how often you want to see that. So just be sure that you subscribe though, because you don't want to miss anything. And I do have awesome giveaways. And also I put up some pretty cool content. I might be a little biased, but I'm just saying. Anyway, y'all, keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.